Hey guys, this is Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and we have a new event, season specific, as we are now into the last week of season 3, and there is a season 3 group photo thing on the building season memorial hall, which was like useless before, but right now if you go to this building or go from the season option, you'll find the season photo thing in here, and you can see there is a alliance photo and alliance message, like a moments you can write it in here. Let's check the I button. Don't let the desert winds erase your glory. This season's group photo will preserve your achievements. Event rules. The event is available once season rewards are distributed. During the event, you can take group photos and leave messages via the event menu or the season memorial hall. After the event ends, all content will be locked but remains viewable in the season memorial hall. Alliance building. Commanders can only participate in the group photo event within the alliance they were in where rewards were distributed. Leaving the alliances mean you can only view but not edit. If a commander rejoins the reward eligible alliance during the event, they can continue editing their group photo and messages. Okay. Group photo settings, avatar placement, drag to adjust avatar positions. Avatars cannot overlap. Frame rewards based on alliance ranking across the 8 warzone. First place unlock all frames. Second 20th place unlocks Desert Elite. Other alliances unlock Desert Blessing. Avatar size varies based on reward tiers. Commanders who receive alliance leader reward, tactician reward, or core reward will have slightly larger avatars than other commanders. Then there are additional notes. If a player was not in an alliance during the season settlement or their alliance did not qualify for rewards, they cannot participate in the group photo or messaging. If an alliance is disbanded, players can still view previously generated photos and messages in the memorial hall, but they can no longer edit them. Players with multiple seasonal group photos can review them in the memorial hall's history list. Commanders must agree to players guidelines before participating. Okay, so let's set this up. As you can see, we have already like few people's photo in here. Hmm. And you can check out that by tapping on them. As you can see, uh yes, white wolves season 3 date is given in here. I will tap on edit option, and as you can see, use of your avatar, there are some policies and compliances, content restrictions, content and responsibilities. You need to tap on acknowledge and consent, and then consent. Okay, then it's done, I guess. Okay, now it's done. As I am a leader, I can edit the place, like I am going here, here, here. Okay, I don't know if I can. Let's see album settings. Okay, there is medium, small, large photo. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I can change, which is not locked. Okay, so let's be innovative and let's do something creative here. Let's see what can we do. These are the unlocked ones. Okay, so let's create initiative of uh, initiate first a letter from our alliance like W. Okay. This might be childish, but let's do it. Okay. So we got one more. Nice. We got white wolves, W, and let's save it. And let's check out the alliance message. Here you can write a message clip on the message section, and you can enter the message for the season. Like I'm going to write. Okay, and then save. Okay, characters not allowed. And it's done. As you can see, we got our message here, and we can modify anytime. And we got some rewards for that. Edit and save your group photo, 100 diamonds. Post one message in the alliance message board, 100 diamonds. Okay, now you can also, oh shit. Okay, I will do it later, guys, as maybe I didn't saved it, or maybe I need consent from like other R4s or players. But that's it for today. You can also share this to your uh, world or your alliance. Also, you can save as image. The final photo can be saved after the event ends. Okay, and you can also share this message to world and your alliances. So that's great. You can unlock memories from here and preserve them in this building season memorial hall, and you can check out anytime after this event ends. So that's a great initiative to preserve your memories from last war. So you can definitely do this task, and make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more gaming related content.